Title: Car Insurance in the USA. Explainer video script. Title: Car Insurance in the USA. Explainer video script. Opening scene: bright and engaging visuals of cars. Driving on a scenic road. Narrator VO. Car insurance is an essential part of owning and driving a vehicle in the United States. In this video, we'll provide you with a concise overview of car insurance and its importance. Transition to animated graphics. Explaining the types of car insurance coverage. Narrator VO. There are three primary types of car insurance coverage in the USA: liability insurance, collision insurance, and comprehensive insurance. Number 1. Liability insurance. Animated graphics of a car accident and insurance coverage. Narrator VO. Liability insurance is legally required in most states. It covers the costs associated with bodily injury and property damage to others if you're at fault in an accident. Collision insurance. Animated graphics of a car colliding with another vehicle. Narrator VO. Collision insurance covers the repair or replacement costs of your vehicle if it's damaged in a collision with another vehicle or object, regardless of who is at fault. Comprehensive insurance. Animated graphics of a tree falling on a car and a car being stolen. Narrator VO. Comprehensive insurance provides coverage for non-collision incidents such as theft, vandalism, natural disasters, or if your car is damaged by falling objects. Transition to a scene with an insurance agent. Narrator VO. When selecting car insurance, it's important to consider factors like your driving history, the value of your vehicle, and your budget. Consulting with an experienced insurance agent can help you determine the right coverage for your transition to a scene with a family discussing different insurance companies. Narrator VO. In the USA, there are numerous insurance companies offering car insurance. It's essential to compare quotes, coverage options, and customer reviews to find a reputable insurer that meets your requirement. Transition to a scene with an insurance policy document. Narrator VO. Once you've selected an insurance company, you'll receive a policy document outlining the coverage details, deductibles, and premiums. It's crucial to review this document carefully and ask questions if anything is unclear. Closing scene. Happy family in a car, confident about their insurance coverage. Narrator VO. Remember, having car insurance provides financial protection and peace of mind in case of accidents or unforeseen events. By understanding the different types of coverage and finding the right insurance, fade out. Narrator VO. For more information or to get a personalized quote, contact a trusted car insurance provider today. End of script.